Beware headphone users. Yeah! Yo guys, how's it going? It is Base Energy here. One of the today, we my friends, we are going to be playing some Minecraft Paintball. We are playing on the server Q-Crowd for you guys. If you want to oh, oi, come on then. Oi, alright, do the skill 4, 2, 2, 1, 0, 2. Oh, come on. Okay, suck your mother. But anyway guys, yes, we have played paintball. Basically you just have to throw snowballs at the other opponent. Hopefully they will die. Come on, I'm good at this. If I'm good in the African jungle, I am good at this. Oh, what? They're trying to sneak up from behind, mate. They're trying it. Teammate is showing no mercy. Okay, come on. He's trying. What? I was what? Your mother. That's what I'm gonna say. Nigga! Okay, nah, that's my teammate. Oi! We got a star! Hey! Go on, you try. Oi! Suck your mother! I don't like this. Suck your mother! Okay, really? Alright, I'm gonna go around here. Lads, come on. Okay, Emmanuel! He showed the ticky 1, 2, 1, 2 donkey style. I know someone's gonna come here. I know you're gonna come here. Just show you. I swear. Yeah! Go on then. Try me, mate. It's how you go. Okay, come on then. I can still see. Aye! Yes! Oh, well done, teammates. You Lord Jungle of the Pussy Master. That's what I like to see. Come on. Someone pop up. Then let me kill. Oh! Stop running! Come on! Stop running for fuck! Oh, cool! Get in the bin! No! 10 seconds left! Run! Let me guess the last skill! Yes! Oh, yes, mate! Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe for more of these videos. And yeah, guys, I'm me, Base Energy. Peace!